I'm one of the lecture practitioners from the Royal Marsden, so we've been kindly invited over to run a Train the Trainer program for chemotherapy administration. So we go through all the different aspects from the scientific to the disease management to the toxicities in order for your group of Maltese nurses to be equipped to train further. I think the figure is 60 or 70 other nurses.
I absolutely love working at the Royal Marsden. It's one of the centres of excellence in the UK for cancer care, and I hope that we can bring some of our knowledge over to Malta and share that with you.
Jiena hematology nurse, naħdem ma' Taħriġ l-MITU, il-Medical Investigations and Treatment Unit. Nħossi pazjenti li jibatu bil-kanser tad-demm. U dal-kors ħajjina ħafna x'nistgħu fil-xogħol tagħna nafu iktar dwar ix-xogħol tagħna u nieħdu ħsieb il-pazjenti aħjar.
Jiena għandi role ta' Practice Development Nurse f'Oncology u Palliative Care. Qegħdin ikkoordinajna dan il-kors pratikament biex naqbdu madwar 12-13 persuna li qegħdin jaħdmu ġo units differenti biex inti żomm standard ħalli l-kwalità ikun kemm jista' jkun għoli.